Look who has arrived. I just got to the venue. My mom is here and the decor is done. Let's see how it looks. Hi, Dad. You look handsome. So we got some games happening here today. One of the games is people have to guess how many Hershey's are inside of this little cute Joe. And then people are gonna sign this. Did you just ask, how do I look? She goes, how do I look, Venu? How do I look, Dad?
My daughter always looks good.
Good answer. Mother like daughter. Papa Pundu, Mama Pundu. How does it feel to have a new niece coming to the family?
So good.
So good. It's so exciting to my granddaughter. So happy.
The star has arrived. Gee! I was looking at you, Monica. I was like, the star has arrived thinking it was you. Look at you! Look at his I cannot handle it. Monty, you look beautiful too, but oh my goodness. Jaden, you look so handsome. Are you ready to celebrate your new sister?
Yeah, Mommy's coming.
Look how beautiful Mommy looks. You look gorgeous, Monty. Jaden, you look so handsome. Jaden looks so handsome. Guess how many kisses are in here, but don't use all your like mathematics. Like just take a quick, yeah. This is not like a job interview. This is a baby shower. I'm gonna be so annoyed if you win.
I probably won't. Okay.
Sahil, how many do you think?
How many's in there?
Now there's 99. I just need all the love.
How can you say I love you? Oh God.
She's just like a regular on the channel these days. He listens to her dad.
Let's say hi. Joe, look it up.
Jaden.
She never goes away.
What is he doing?
I think it's kind of hilarious.
I think so too.
It's funny. He's so cute. Who cares what he does? He's adorable. Jaden, where are you going, bruh? DJ's here! Apparently I wasn't following my own brother-in-law on Instagram for the last 4 years. And then we went to dinner and he was like, hey, do you mind following me? It's starting to get weird. I didn't know. One of the games we're doing right now is everybody has to guess the circumference of Monica's belly. What did you guess?
I think only 57.
Okay, 57, 57. All right, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I think that's just brothers, kids, and Jessica. Oh my God, seeing the cousins together is the cutest thing. Look at their outfits! So cute! Literally all I need in life is 2 little girls just like that. So I matched with this guy on a dating app. I asked the 13 and 16-year-old at the table and they have very specific opinions.
He looks nice.
Wow.
So I'm really very happy to be here. Monica being an infectious disease specialist, I was convinced that she'd do everything right. I think we're going to start with a traditional ceremony where 9 ladies are going to bless Monica and give her sweets and food and bangles.
I need little girls. Neelish, come be in my vlog. This is my cousin Neelish. He's in medical school. So, you know, I'm really good at pimping out my family members. That's what I do. Are you ready to be a tinted model? Hi. We have couple games. One of them was guessing how many Hershey Kisses were inside the Hershey Kiss jar. The answer was there was 151 Hershey Kisses inside. Bravo Team Vinegar, you apparently know math really well. Great job. Okay, ready? Let's measure her. Drum roll. We did 45 inches. I guess 50.
48. Shout it up.
Shout out, Auntie. Yes! 45 inches. We were all off.
That's small.
Okay, and then there's one more game. We're gonna ask a series of questions where you have to decide whether you think Monica or the Nesh are more likely to be the one to do this. Who shared the good news about the baby with the family first? Do we think it's Monica or the Nesh? Shockingly the Nesh. Who was the pickier eater as a child? Yep.
He still is.
Who is more nervous about the big day?
Actually me.
Monica. Who is likely to be the stricter parent? Absolutely. Who chose the baby's name?
No.
It's the Nesh. He has a long list.
He has a lot. Yeah, he has the list.
Who wants more kids?
Ganesh just said done. He's no more.
Monica.
We just want to say, right, Jaden? We want to say thank you. Say thank you. He's kissing. He's saying thank you. He's saying thank you. Dinesh and I are so happy all y'all can make it. I mean, all y'all mean something to us. Sometime in our life, you've been seeing us and being part of our lives. So we really, really, really appreciate you being here today. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Monty, how do you feel?
Awesome.
We did it. Yeah, there. Sorry. You're gonna have a baby girl, and I'm so excited.
You're the best in me.
I really can't wait. This is the best party ever, and I'm so happy, and I just can't wait. Why don't you give a message to future baby girl Reddy?
We love you very much and can't wait to meet you. Your big brother is excited. Look how tired he got.
We can't wait to meet you. We love you so much. And until next time. And the next time I have a video, you're gonna be here in the world. And we all love you so much and we can't wait for it. And I hope that this is the perfect memory for you to one day look back and see how much you were loved before you even came here. And it's only gonna grow. And I literally cannot wait. I literally go to bed thinking, I cannot wait to hold you in my arms. And I already love you so much. Get here soon.